why I've got to get out there in the morning, huh? Hey, Charlie. Dad, okay, cool. You want to hold this for me for a second, Dad? Hold this for me for a second.
Any particular way or what?
You can stand up.
Okay.
This way. Okay.
All right.
There we go. Way back.
All right. Look at that. Just cruising along.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, Dad.
See you, Tom.
See you in a little bit.
Okay.
Okay. Bye-bye. All right. This is nice.
Yeah.
All right. There we go. That does work way better with the paddle like that. I forgot. We didn't used to have bent paddles. Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Wait. We're gonna go to our favorite spot. Wait. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Wait for me. Wait for me. Good girl. Good girl. Wait for me. Wait for me. Oh, don't push the canoe out. Good girl. Wait for me, Charlie. Wait for me. Good girl. All right, so I'll take Charlie for a walk. Teaching her to walk off the leash because we're on an island now. And she can't run away if she wants to. So that's kind of the plan here. Good girl, Charlie. Good girl. You're a good girl. Okay, come with me, okay? Come here. Come here, Charlie. Look at this. I take your leash off. Come with me. Come on, this way. Can we walk through here? Let's see if we can walk through here. Oh, yeah. Come on, this way. Up here. Ooh, look at me way up here. Yeah. Can you get up here? Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Let's go for a walk. Not fall off the cliff. Pretty open in here. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Whoa. Don't go down there. That's a big cliff. Let's go. Wait, this way. Come with me. Okay. I'm going this way. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, look at you. Okay, we're training Charlie to walk off the leash. We're on an island. A deserted island. Come here, Charlie, this way. Come on. Good girl. You know to stay with Daddy. Come on. Good girl. We've done a lot of training up till now, but you're 1 year old now. So now you can be like a big dog, right? Good girl. Here we are in this wilderness area on an island. Hopefully we don't encounter any bears. Bears do come on islands. Look at this. Tree is completely grown around this rock. You're a good girl, Charlie. You're a good girl. Look at you. Okay, come on. Let's go this way. Let's go over this way, see what happens. Let's see what's over here. What's over here? I don't know. I've never been over here. Let's go look around. Look at you, Charlie. Look at you. Walking, walking. Let's go back this way. Come on. Good girl. Yeah. You're staying with me? Just like a good girl, huh? Yeah. Because you know we're friends, right? We're walking along, we're friends. Right. You're a good girl. Walking through the Canadian woods. Oh, yeah. Good girl, Charlie. Good girl. Exploring the woods. Good girl. She's great. She's having fun. Running around. She's like, this is cool. Been getting a lot of comments. Why is your dog always on the leash? The dog was on the leash because she's a puppy and we were in the middle of nowhere, not near my house. This is the thing that's counterintuitive that people have a hard time understanding. When I'm driving through a national park and I'm only going to be there for a few days, if the dog runs away or gets lost, I can't hang around. Charlie, over here, come here, this way. Look at you. Look at you. Good girl. Good girl. We're over here. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Look at you. Yeah. So much fun. Exploring. You're staying close. Yeah. Obviously, I'm trolling everybody by leaving her life jacket on too. I'm gonna just watch the comments. Why'd you leave her life jacket on? You know. Good girl, Charlie. Yeah. So the point is now that I'm home in Canada, if Charlie were to get lost, we're not in some foreign place where I don't know what to do, we would just hunker down and wait for Charlie to come back. But it's a drag when you're camping out in the middle of nowhere, miles from home, and your dog gets lost. And she's a puppy, so we had to experiment with some training. And she's doing great. We've been training up to now on a long leash, but it's totally going great with her off leash now entirely. Let's see. Look at her. You're doing a good job. You're doing a good job, Charlie. Come here. Charlie, come here. Come on. Come up here. Come on. This way. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Look at you. Good girl. Good girl, Charlie. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Charlie. Fun exploring, right? Isn't it fun exploring? Look at you up on the rock. Yeah. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl, Charlie. Good girl, Charlie. Good girl. You're doing so good. You're doing so good. Doing so good. Doing so good. Doing so good. It's over there. It's over there. Wow. Look at you. Yeah. Good girl. Want to go try to take a swim? Remember you took a swim the other day? That was fun, right? Okay, come on. I got my Canadian Army boots on. That's why I brought the Army boots, because I knew we were going through the woods. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Look at you go. Look at you go. This way. Honestly, this is super exciting for me too, because this is kind of like a big day for Charley. Her first fully off-leash walk. And I'm training her on an island because I'm a cautious daddy. So we canoed over to an island, but she's never really going more than, I don't know, 50 feet away from me. Yet. So, let's see. Watch her come back. Come here, Charley. Come here. Over here. Come on. Come on. Over here. Good girl. Come on. Come here, Charley. Come here. Come here, Charley. Okay, she's not coming this time. Come on. Come. Charley, come. See, now she's not coming. I can see her, but she's not coming. Charley, come here. Hey, come on. Come on. Come on, Charley. Over here. Ooh, she's going the wrong direction. Oh, no, here she comes. Good girl, over here. Good girl. Good girl, over this way, yeah. Look at you go. Look at you run through the woods. Yeah. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Look at you. Yeah, good girl. Wow. Wow. That was so good. Oh, you're so good. Come on, let's go get a treat. Come on. Let's go get a treat. Come on. Come on, Charley, this way. Let's go get a treat. Come on. Come on. So good. Wow. Wow. Let's get a treat. Up here. Come on. Okay, she's running off down into the shoreline there. Come here, Charley. Up here. Charley. Come on. Come on. Charley. Come here, up here. There she is down there. Come on. Come here, Charley. Come get a treat. We're up here on this island. Good girl. Come over here. You're a good girl. Look at you. Look at you. Yes. Good girl. Yes. You're such a good girl. Such a good girl. Yeah. Wow. She's really doing good. This is amazing. Better than I'd hoped. It would have been pretty bad to lose Charley in Utah on the first week of filming. You know, when you guys all gotten to know her and love her. So, I'm very cautious. Responsible dog ownership. Okay. Come here. Come get a treat, Charley. Come get a treat. That was good. Come here, Charley. Come get a treat. Come get a treat. Yeah. You're doing so good. Oh my gosh. You're doing so good. Here, look, I got your treat. Come here. Charley, look. Come here. Charley, come here. I got your treat. Come here. Come here. Come have a treat. Come here. Have a treat. Yeah, good girl. Too busy for a treat. Too much going on. Doesn't even want the treat. Okay, now I'm going to teach Charley how to go for a swim again. For her second swim of her life. Charley, over here, we're going to go for a swim. She's going down to the water a lot. She might go for a swim, and before we do, I want to get it on camera. I want to get it on camera. Come here, Charley. Yummy, got some food. Okay. All right. Come here, Charlie. Come here. Over here. No, no, no. Over here, Charlie. Charlie, over here. Come here. Hey, 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 Charlie. Shit, she's on the other side of the lake there. Come here. Over here. Come here. Good girl. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Look at you going to the right way. Come back over here. Good girl. Come here. Look at this. Oh, yeah, something's happening here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Charlie. Yeah. Good girl. What's going on? Come here. What's going on here? Good girl. You came right back like you were supposed to. That's right. I'm going to go in the water. That's right. I'm going to go in the water. That's right. Uh-oh. Are you going in the water? Are you going in the water? Remember last time when I went in the water and you went in the water too and you liked it? Oh, look at you. Are you going to do it again? Oh, look at you. I'm going in the water. I'm going in the water. Look. Look at me. I'm going in the water. Yeah. Are you going to go in the water too, like before? Oh, look at you. You liked it before, right? Oh, you going to get it on camera again? You get this on camera? Uh-oh, I'm in the water. Are you in the water? Are you going to get in the water? Come on. Come on. Come on. You like the water, right? You like the water, right? Yeah. Oh, you want to get in? You want to get in? No? You want to? Come here. Over here. Come here. Come here. Come here. That's right. Good girl. Jump in the water. Jump in the water. Go, go, go. Jump, jump, jump. Go, go, go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, it's fun, right? Come on. Come on. Look at that. Yeah, come over here. Come over here. Come over here. So much fun. So, yeah, good girl. Good girl. Isn't that fun? Oh, yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Maybe you went in before, or you went deeper before, though. Right? Wow. That was pretty good. Maybe I can walk out further on this rock here. Look at this rock. Look at this rock. Come on, Charlie. Come on. Ooh. Look at me way out here. There's fish out here. I see some fish. Oh, here you come. Come on. Oh, shit. Oh. I almost fell. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Look at you. Yeah. Look at you. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Mm-hmm. Swimming. Yeah. You not feel like getting in? You not feel like getting in? Come on. Come get in. Come here. Come here. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. Come on.